Probably the last time we'll see the car in this color. Gonna get painted by Mr. Alex Paulson. Say hi, Alex. And this is a team.
Hey, bro.
Alright, what's up guys? So we are here at Haka Lodge and we're having a small party because my dear friend Alex is leaving. Say hi to the guys!
Hi guys!
That's Anissa, she's from France.
Yeah, I have my French accent, sorry.
Yeah.
Me! Always!
We have everyone. Frenchies! Frenchies should make friends together. Yep, so this is Alex, the one that's painting our car right now. Yeah, fuck yeah. Ragnit from where's she from?
Norway.
Oh, Norway, yeah. Viking. That's all I remember.
Look how Viking she is, bruv.
Staying true to it, red hair. Obliques, yeah?
Yeah.
Asterisks and obliques.
Yes. Even though they were Kelters, but you know.
Same.
Same. We were there at
Same lah.
same lah.